speaker from MSD.
Well, thank you very much, Annie and Jack, for the kind invitation to be here. Okay. Sinik Wailua to everybody and your families. It's wonderful to be here as we celebrate the Lunar New Year. Yes. I want to congratulate your organization for everything that you do. You know what? I'm looking at all of you. I had an opportunity to speak with some of you, and just to see all of the singers and the musicians, and we've got the Tai Chi, and everybody staying healthy and well for the new year. And that is what's the most important. The most important in the new year is exactly what the association, I said, my Seniors Association. What does it mean? I got some instruction from my good friend here. It talks about family, about joy, about beauty. It's about the traditions that we hold dear. The traditions of family, of respect, of resilience. You know, and also those values and traditions are so important, especially with our seniors. I know that my parents, the grandmother, grandfather, my kids, when they speak to them, they teach them about the past. It also is about, of course, the good times, the food, the joy, the happiness, but also about what is up ahead of us. And seniors are the most important. Why are seniors the most important? Because seniors light the way for everyone else. You have gone through this journey, the journey of life that we are all on. So we think about the past, but we embrace the future. You know, Canada's a wonderful place to live, and we cherish our seniors. And one of the things, I don't know if everybody here, I hope, we have brought forward a new program, the Canadian Dental Program. And it's for seniors that don't have dental benefits to sign up. I hope many of you have already signed up for the Canadian Dental Program to be able to provide services. Also here in the city of Mississauga, I don't know if you know, that all of transit now is going to be free for seniors. Seniors will be able to travel on Mississauga